1984 established DU-affiliated Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce boasts of a NAC A++ grade accreditation with a 4.3-star rating on Shiksha.com. How are the BA courses here? Let's take a look, starting right off with the placements that has been rated 3.7 out of 5. As per the 2022 report, the college saw a successful placement season with more than 22 companies visiting the campus. Students of their most prominent course, BA Honours Economics, saw 347 offers from over 60 companies. According to the NIRF report, the median package offered to UG students during the 2023 placements was 6.25 lakh per annum. A look at the year-on-year trend reveals a 15% increase, taking a leap from 5 lakh per annum to 6.25 lakh per annum. The college's placement rate also shows an increase of 20%. Prestigious companies like Deloitte, KPMG, Zomato, Swiggy and Amazon participated in the hiring process and offered the role of data analytics to BA Honours Economics students. Moreover, the college's training and placement cell organizes an internship fair every year, inviting over 100 companies for various internship opportunities, both paid and unpaid. And if students want more on their plate, the SGG SCC has a Center for Professional Development that regularly organizes add-on courses for students having high academic appetite. If we compare it with the college of adjacent establishment here and location, say Maharaja Agrasen, Delhi, we can see that it reported a median salary of 3 lakh per annum, giving SGG SCC an edge of 83.33%. Speaking about admissions, SGG SCC accepts CUET scores for various UG programs. It offers BA in 3 specializations: BA in Economics, in Business Economics and in Punjabi. But an aspirant must complete their 10+2 with a minimum of 74% before getting their hands on a CUET score that adheres to the college's cutoff to pass the eligibility criteria. Coming to the competitive fee structure, BA in Economics costs a total of 5.52 lakhs, including girls' hostel fees of 4.56 lakh for 3 years. Whereas its neighbouring institute, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Delhi, levies a total fees of 4.58 lakhs, including hostel fees of 1.75 lakh for 3 years for the same course. Looking at its fee structure and the current salary expectations, SGG SCC scores a whopping ROI of 99.6%. The 10.7-acre college gives justice to its 4.5 rated infrastructure by capitalizing on its Wi-Fi enabled auditorium, library, playground, canteen, gurudwara and classrooms. Although some students claim that they often face internet connectivity issues inside the campus. What's more surprising is that the college provides hostel facilities for girls only. But it's good enough as it has Wi-Fi accessibility, laundry service and mess that is up to standard. With a 4.3-star faculty rating, it can be claimed that teachers at SGG SCC are highly educated and supportive, and the staff is very helpful that facilitates the decorum and discipline in the college too. The course curriculum is also well designed to ensure that students get not only theoretical knowledge but also practical knowledge. Moving on to the 4.5 rated Campus Life. The students take part in and enjoy diverse events, fests and workshops organized by one of their famous societies, Urja. Some of the prominent events that they host are annual festivals, Seher, a college festival organized by the National Service Scheme featuring various competitions, performances and activities. Saharsh, the annual fest for Jagriti, an enabling unit of SGG SCC, which includes cultural events and competitions. Now finally, the rankings, we can say that SGG SCC has highly changed over the years for good, as it has made a remarkable improvement in its ranking, moving up from 63 to 47 in the college's category according to the NIRF 2023 database. For more details on SGG SCC and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.